Mobile devices are connecting and empowering consumers everywhere. Consumers can compare products' features, prices, opinions. They can order, buy, and pay for the product or service, no matter the time and place. People fell in love with mobile devices, and mobile shopping is growing like crazy. People travel with their phones, spend free time on their phones, work on their tablets and laptops, and even go to sleep with mobile devices next to them in bed. It was indeed a revolution, and the trend will continue in the foreseeable future. That's why you shouldn't ignore this fact. In the previous chapters we mentioned that your company's website should be responsive and look good on all kinds of devices, especially taking into consideration Google plans to put more and more emphasis on mobile first ranking. In this chapter, we will focus on the promotion of mobile apps. First, we will talk over what you should prepare before the start of the promotion, the list of all of the necessary assets, and then we will take a look at App Store optimization, which is critical if you want to be found by the users. We will finish the chapter with app promotion ideas, both standard and non-standard. One marketeer said that people hate to be separated from their mobile phones, like Gollum and One Ring. They hate to be separated from their precious thing. Let's not separate them, but rather show them that we prepared a shiny new thing, which can be an awesome addition when installed on their devices. Before you start promoting the app, you must be sure that you have all of the assets to do it effectively. Ideally, you do research before the app production and prepare the app according to gathered data. But it is often not the case, and you face a challenge to promote the app that is already produced. In our scenario, we are a creative agency, and for one of our clients, our team of developers, prepare an app that allows users to edit their photos. We would like to generate more downloads and make it popular. In order to do that, we must prepare a landing page for our app, while having App Store optimization in mind. App Store optimization is simply the process of optimizing mobile apps to rank higher in an App Store search results. Of course, the higher the rank, the better chance people will download your app. And yes, if you thought that it is similar to search engine optimization, you are correct, but with few differences. What are the elements of the landing page that you can optimize? Let's go to Google Play and take a look.
Type play.google.com. Click on the apps. Choose one of the apps. You can see there's a title of the app, its icon, name of the developer, app category, rating, some information regarding permissions and compatibility, screenshots and videos, description, comments section, updates section, and additional information section. Components are similar for Apple App Store and other app stores. So we start our optimization with a title. It should include keywords that are both popular and relevant to the content of our app, and also it should be unique if possible. As a first step, you can type the title that describes best the functionality of your app and see what are the titles of the apps of your competition. We type a photo editor, and we already have some suggestions from Google, but we click on the search icon. We have some photo editor or photo editor pro names, and some names of the companies plus photo editor keyword, like Adobe Photoshop Express photo editor or Pixlab photo editor. You can see the competition is huge. That's why we may want to focus on a particular aspect of photo editing or particular types of photos that can be edited and may be important for our users. You should go to the keyword research tools and see which keywords connected with photo editing have the most traffic. It can be a general purpose tool like Google Keyword Planner or a tool designed for App Store keyword research in mind. First we go to Google Keyword Planner. We type a photo editor app and some connected terms like selfie editor app or photo recolor app, as our app has that functionalities. You can see a lot of people add keywords best and free to their searches. Secondly, selfie editor may not be a bad idea to focus on. There are solid searches connected to it, but the competition is lower, and also our app works especially well with selfies. Then we visit keywordtool.io. where you have an option to choose tab Play Store to see what the users typed in the search box there. We type a selfie editor. Choose the appropriate country. And you can see that we also have terms like free or camera as propositions. After all of the research, we decided to choose the title Perfect Selfie, Free Photo Editor for Selfie Camera. It has 50 characters, which is the maximum for Google Play. For Apple App Store it's 30 characters, so we would use Perfect Selfie, Free Editor. Now description. We can include LSE keywords, just like in the Search Engine Optimization chapter. And again, we use the LSE graph tool. This way we will find related keywords that will help us with positioning. We type a selfie editor. We sort results by volume. There are a couple of interesting ideas. So in our description, we would write that our tool is perfect for photo editing, that it can be a great alternative for tools like Photoshop and Pixlr, that it's free, that you can edit your face with it, that it's best for selfies, and so on. You get the idea. If your app received any rewards or milestones, like number of installs or fantastic reviews already, please include them in the description. Don't forget to persuade people to install your app in description. Use strong emotional words and call to action so users have clear communication that they should download your app. Some app stores allow you to include both short description and long description, so you can base your short description on the long one and choose the most appropriate features and keywords. Some app stores allow you to include keywords on your landing page, so choose your main keyword and relevant LSE keywords plus features keywords. If you want to rank your app in several different countries that use different languages, you should translate all of the text and assets for the best results, as localization is one of the most important factors when it comes to App Store optimization. Then we have the app icon. It should be very distinctive, bold, relevant, and eye-catching. Try not to use text on it, as it won't be readable after all. It can be even funny if it suits your company. This dog and cat taking selfie picture that I found on Canva looks really nice for our app. We could adjust it and use it. Remember, you have to prepare it in the correct dimensions as per chosen App Store specification. As a developer name, you can use the name of your company, or if it's a one-off project, you can consider the name that is associated with the app you are offering, something like photo dev in our case. App category should be chosen according to the content of your app. In our case it will be photography, so no surprise there. Then you have a rating. First of all, rating will be strongly connected to the quality of your app, so if it's bad, it will be low. You can improve it by using the correct description of what your app offers, so people know what to expect. Also, listen to them, read comments. If they are complaining that your app is not working, say you are sorry and fix it as soon as possible. Update your app, test on multiple devices, consult changes. You make your app for the people. Then there is screenshots and videos section, which is huge for your success. Make sure all of your materials are high quality, prepared in high resolution. Ideally, produce a video which shows how your app works. Add some nice music to it. Present all the cool features on screenshots. Most people check this section before they decide to install, so give it the attention it requires. You should take all of the assets used for optimizing your landing page to create a so-called marketing package. It would also include information about your company, biograms of creators, logos, press releases, and separate promotional video. You want to create a marketing package, as it will help you with another super important factor that influences your position in the App Store search results: number of downloads and popularity. It is a promotion, and we will cover that in the next video.
In the last video, we covered how to create a good landing page for your app in different app stores. And also, we mentioned that we should prepare a marketing package for your app, or a collection of assets such as logos, press releases, biograms, and multiple materials that you can use to generate better results. Let's see how exactly you can promote your app.
Number 1. Upload your app to as many places as possible. Google Play and Apple App Store are the biggest app stores, but not the only app stores worth your attention. You have Amazon App Store, Getjar App Store, Opera App Store, and more. You even have tools like Codengo that allows you to upload your app in one place and publish it to more than 30 different app stores. And all of that gives you additional reach that you wouldn't have sticking to Google and Apple only. You can consider preparing a separate PC version of your app, which can often be prepared quite quickly. For example, if an app was produced in Unity Engine, then in your PC version, you may place in information that there is an Android or iOS version which can be downloaded. And this PC app can be placed on websites aggregating PC apps, giving you even more visibility. Number 2. Take care of publicity. Send your PR release about the launch of your app to all relevant websites. Ask for a link. Ask for a review. Some of the websites refuse, some of the websites ignore, some of the websites agree, and some of them would like money for it. Inform influencers that your app exists. If it's good, maybe they will start using it. Write posts about your app on relevant forums and groups. Answer questions on Quora and mention your app as a solution. If you won't fight for your app, nobody else will. Number 3. Use help of your friends and family. Beginning is the hardest. You would like your first installs, first reviews. Encourage people from your work to download and rate the app. No matter if this is a project done for your company or on your own, they will agree. Your family, it is at least a couple of additional users. Your friends, both from real life and from the internet. And all of that can secure at least 10 and maybe more than 50 downloads. It's a great start. Number 4. Use the power of social media. This one is quite obvious. Upload the promotional video of your app on YouTube. Set up profiles on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. Publish regular updates and build community. Number 5. Upload your marketing materials online. Prepare wallpaper with the logo of your company or characters from your app and place it on the website with wallpapers. Thanks to that, you will be visible in Google Images as well. Place graphics from the game or app on your own website as downloadable materials. Prepare a presentation about your app and upload it on Skillshare. Record tutorials presenting how to use your app and prepare case studies presenting the final results. Number 6. Apply for awards and take part in competitions. Sometimes you can read about different app rankings, for example, best photo editing app. Submit your app to be included. Or there is a competition or award for best developers. If you feel confident, take part with your app. Winning any award gives you an opportunity to underline this fact in your marketing communication. Number 7. Build partnerships. You are not the only developer who would like to promote an app. Write to other developers and propose advertising space exchange. You place a promo banner of their app, and they will place it in theirs. As both apps are used by different audiences, it's a win-win. Just have in mind that the other app should not be your direct competition, and you should have a similar number of users. Also, this promotional activity should not be intrusive to the users.
These are 7 simple ways to boost the popularity of your app. This is the last video in this chapter and in the course. You can go to the conclusion video and watch the summary of what you've learned. And also, please take the final exam to check whether there are parts of the course that you should repeat. See you in the next video.